indaba testate. Who is funding that Luham? See, also be clear because now all of us want that thing to get finished and done now. Same with the school now. Our parents, but not people so keep any more tension. Was one banana, and also a new control was in seven. Observe Vagani, speaker and Voleo. I learned the control speaker FMT, foot and mouth. As long as we made Uniga in Vuna, agriculture, seven longer. But near 15 million rehabilitator and cordon fences. On the speaker would see some kilo fences. What about the personnel? La bala Pablo fences. But for 10 years they don't get uniform. Bahama Metinyao, Butebo Pusha, Buteluto. Now for the fences, stop at Rambano fences. Utam Katsabe Akoge, Taba Bangan, Tabe Alala. If we invest, Bulo cordon fence, as invested pay an ugly personnel because Bamla Kuba and Sebe La Bamula. What is the near 57 million container EFN Tigangwa? It was complaining, Speaker, on men to negate Vuna agriculture 40 million. Nasa Abambe, foot and mouth, Eshisere. In Vuna agriculture, Yahule Bamba, foot and mouth, now 40 million Eshisere. Yahule, and 57, I bump the even long. And I mean, Mafa, Yabu and Saturday man in Niga in Vunaba agriculture. It's like Tora in Venuelman, Abe Ashley, Buvimba, FMT. Now 40 million is a she's a hundred pay. Where should they at this man? Now, what would the money in the agriculture anyway? Because instead of fighting FMT, it's not design. I want the design instead of fighting. FMT. We had same my minister Wabuti. Now tax of 57 million. I need them Vuna agriculture. They live in time over FMT because we cannot have a minister that we current design. We will have an FMT think about the most of the thief. It looks like it doesn't care at all.